Are you familiar with the podcaster? I don't want to call her a podcaster. I keep hearing that. I find it almost like condescending. She does have a podcast, but she's an investigative journalist. Her name is Mandy Matney. Are you familiar with her?
Not at all.
Okay, so this might refresh your memory. If you watched any of the Alec Murdaugh like documentaries and stuff that I've watched, which I'm sure you've been around for at least part of it, she had a podcast and started like getting clued in that he was involved in some financial crimes. And
Okay.
she did all of this investigative journalism, like getting court records and stuff that exposed like the $500,000 settlement.
Okay.
Where he kept the money and
Yeah.
Anyway, she was just found in contempt of court.
For what?
She refused to show up for court, and I'm not sure why. Is she trying to protect her sources or what? But
that's weird.
So I guess this has something that explains it that's not in a sensationalized way, which I really appreciate. I found it on Jennifer Coffendorfer's X account.
Okay.
But I'll share that with you. One moment, please. All right. Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right.
You may have seen a claim online that a South Carolina legislator was paid by a judge. The court record says otherwise. It was his law firm that was paid. Here's what actually happened. A judge ordered podcaster Mandy Matney to pay about $176,500, but not for anything she reported. She was called as a witness in a civil case tied to the 2019 boat crash that killed Mallory Beach. The judge found she willfully skipped a deposition she had been subpoenaed to attend. This is a discovery sanction, about $171,500 in the other side's legal fees, plus a $5,000 contempt fine. It is not a defamation ruling, and it is not a penalty for her journalism. It is also days old, and it can still be appealed. Now,
is this an AI video?
I think it is. It's like an AI avatar with an AI voiceover, or like a real voiceover with an AI avatar.
It's pretty well done.
The corruption
for
claim.
AI.
The claim spread because a named partner at the defense firm is a state legislator. The record is more involved. The legislator's firm was paid, not the legislator personally. Judge R. Keith Kelly actually reduced the fee request by about $139,000. The firm's counsel of record is Jim Bannister, not the legislator. Jim Bannister is a partner in the legislator's family firm. And in South Carolina, the full legislature elects judges. No single lawmaker appoints anyone. Or in fact, it is one of only 2 states where lawmakers, not voters, choose the bench. The real debate is that selection system itself. Alex Hardwick reporting for Myrtle Beach SC News.
Yeah, okay, Myrtle Beach SC AI News. Maybe Myrtle Beach fired all of their journalists and they hired AI robots.
That would make sense. That would be very Myrtle Beach of them to do.
Yeah, but I'm wondering, like, why she didn't go. Was she trying to protect sources or?
I don't know.
And
that was in the boat crash trial, so that was like his son, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. Maybe she just didn't want anything to do with it.
Maybe he threatened her.
So I also found this Facebook reel, but it's taken a minute to load. All right. Yeah. Let me bring it up. I don't know if I'm allowed to share Facebook reels, but I'm going to do it anyway.
I don't see why not.
I don't care.
It's in the public's domain.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
She's seen.
Folks, let me explain something to you. She's the one who broke the financial crime cases wide open in the Murdaugh matters. She's the one that went to the courthouse and found the only petition for a $500,000 wrongful death settlement of Gloria Satterfield. You wouldn't know me but for Mandy Matney. When she wrote that article, it alerted the Satterfield family that Alex had got some money and stole it from them. They called Mark Tinsley, who called me, and I was off the race. So Mandy Matney has written hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of articles in the Murdaugh matter. She was a journalist in Kansas, and she is an investigative reporter. Look what she's done in the Micah France and J.P. Miller case, and the Spivey case, and many other cases. She is.
So I think he's sticking up for her to show she's not a corrupt person, and I don't disagree with that. But I'm just wondering why didn't she show up? Was it to protect sources? Because that's the big thing that nobody's really saying is why.
Yeah,
maybe she didn't explain herself.
Maybe she did.
Yeah, I don't know. So